2022 is finished. We're in 2023 now, so get that out the way and start thinking what you're going to invest in 2023. That's what I'm here to tell you today, what crypto investors should be getting into this year. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. Let's dive straight in to see what I've got and what you should be investing in 2023. The first thing, guys, is I'm going to tell you about big ideas with crypto. Okay, there's a blog here, crazyegg.com. I want you all to go and check this out. It's going to tell you exactly what you need to know. Now, cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, they have been around for more than a decade, all right? But it feels like we're at the tip of the iceberg, like it says right here, of a long-term potential. What they're basically saying is crypto is gaining traction worldwide, even though you're seeing them come down. You're seeing a lot of price falling. We are still gaining traction. It's getting popular. More user adoption is happening. All right, you speak to more people on the street, they know what crypto is, whether that's a bad it or a good it. All right, whether they're saying, I know what crypto is because I've heard people lose it or win it. Whatever it is, free advertisement, crypto is getting more known. And that provides us a real easy platform to start talking about it and learning about it and getting all the education we need. So all the ideas in crypto business are very, very important, okay? Making money in crypto actually starts with the right idea. Down in this article, they actually highlight for you some of the top crypto business ideas. It's not what this video is about, so please get on here and have a look through and tell me what you think. All right, we got things like offering crypto asset management, sell physical things in crypto online. Okay, these are just some of the things that you can get involved with crypto in 2023. Okay, now I want to jump over to talk a little bit about altcoins. If you don't know what they are, stay tuned because I'm about to do it now. So what are altcoins? People hear this word, all right? There's thousands of different ones, but what are they? Because most investors do pass on altcoins, all right, if they're not big alts. Now, the term altcoin is shorthand for alternative coins. Simply means cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, after Bitcoin, is the 9 most popular cryptocurrencies as follows. So we've got Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Cardano, Polkadot, Stellar, USD Coin, Dogecoin, Chainlink, and Uniswap. Okay, now they're still there on the biggest, even though this is only updated on November 30, 2021, but go on the time.com and you can actually see them. Okay, since the thousands and thousands have been made since the first ones, and still these take the power at the top. All right, there's actually over 17,000 types of cryptocurrencies, okay? That's as of this year. Now, that's incredible. Now, according to the price tracking websites, CoinMarketCap and things like that, which you should go on and check the price of your favorite coins all the time, especially before you're investing into anything, okay? Bitcoin makes up nearly half of the total crypto market cap. Ethereum makes up nearly a quarter. That's why it's there on the biggest altcoin. Okay, it's incredible. Altcoins actually occupy the remaining market share, which is about 40%. That's incredible. So it does mean altcoins are a massive factor in the vision of how crypto wants to perceive itself. Now, what I want to finish, guys, is the last point here is actually giving you some tips on how to build your crypto portfolio. It's easy for me to do videos like this and tell you need to get involved in crypto, you need to do these things, but building your crypto portfolio is one of the biggest keys you need to know. Now, building a robust portfolio in crypto assets takes work, okay? It takes a dedicated eye for detail, and it actually offers a fascinating opportunity for uniqueness, okay? You can actually make this unique to yourself. If you approach the market with a detail-orientated mindset, crypto trading is not the calculated betting that many investors once thought the market to be. Now, what you want to do is things that it tells you in this blog, Business Daily Media, okay, .com. We love giving out the praise to the blogs that we're finding. Okay, one, start with a plan. Then you want to target commodities that fit your needs. Hedge riskier options with mainstays in the market. Consider lock stacking and other saving strategies. And remember that trading crypto is uniquely fun. It actually is. I do it myself and I love every single second of it. Okay, I know, like I said before, a lot of people are talking about crypto going down. It is still very much here. Do not miss this chance in 2023 to get yourself in the crypto world. Guys, that is all I've got for you today. I'm super, super blessed that I'm the one that gets to bring you fire videos like this on this channel all the time. Okay, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. And until next time, I will see you there.